The world had seen many engineering marvels, but nothing ever came close to the ship that challenged nature itself. A vessel designed not just to travel the ocean, but to conquer it, a vessel built for a world where storms are no longer rare events, but a constant threat. They called it the StormBreaker Ark, a $3.8 billion engineering masterpiece capable of surviving hurricanes beyond anything ever recorded. And today, we dive deep inside the most extreme ship humanity has ever created. StormBreaker Ark is not an ordinary vessel. It is the first ship in history specifically engineered to withstand a Category 10 hyperhurricane, a storm so powerful that no radar instruments exist to measure it. The Ark stretches nearly 480 meters long, wider than any cruise ship on Earth, and built with a hull structure inspired by the shell of deep-sea creatures, flexible yet unbreakable. Its designers studied how whales, squid, and even microscopic ocean organisms withstand crushing underwater pressure. That research evolved into a multi-layered steel titanium composite hull that bends, absorbs impact, and doesn't crack even under chaotic wave patterns reaching 60 meters high. From the outside, the StormBreaker looks like a floating fortress, sharp angles, armored plating, and a raised bow designed to slice through incoming waves rather than ride over them. Engineers call it the reverse impact design, a concept taken from military submarines. Instead of fighting the wave, the ship divides it, reducing force by up to 70%. In the worst storms, when the ocean becomes a boiling wall of black water, this bow shape is what keeps the Ark steady and upright. But the real secret of the StormBreaker lies beneath its surface, in the three-tier stabilization system that makes it almost impossible to capsize. The ship carries 8 retractable hydrofoils, each bigger than a commercial airplane wing. During calm weather, these foils stay folded inside the hull. But when wind speeds cross 200 km per hour, the foils deploy outward, instantly balancing the ship and preventing extreme tilt. Complementing them are 2 massive gyroscopic stabilizers, each weighing 400 tons and spinning at 3,000 revolutions per minute. Together, they counter the violent rotational forces that storms create. The result? Even in hurricane-level chaos, passengers experience only mild shaking, like turbulence on an airplane. Inside, the StormBreaker Ark feels like a floating futuristic city. The moment you step through its reinforced airlock doors, the environment changes completely. The walls, the floors, even the lighting, are all designed to remain operational under the harshest conditions. Every surface is cushioned, shock-absorbing, and fire-resistant. The main corridor stretches almost half the ship, illuminated by soft blue LEDs that mimic daylight even during pitch-black storms. At the heart of the vessel lies the command nexus, a 360-degree control center that looks like something from a sci-fi film. Transparent OLED screens circle the room, displaying live wave height, wind direction, structural stress load, and real-time satellite weather analysis. Operators use holographic controls to adjust stabilizers, deploy protective shields, and optimize propulsion. The system can predict storm patterns 90 minutes before they hit, giving the crew enough time to prepare the ship for impact. During a full hyperstorm event, the entire Ark becomes an AI-driven survival machine, fine-tuning itself every second. The ship's power source is another innovation. StormBreaker runs on a dual-core fusion hybrid engine, producing enough electricity to power a small city. It has zero emissions, zero fuel dependency, and can operate continuously for over 12 years without refueling. In a world where severe weather events make supply chains unreliable, this gives the Ark absolute independence. Even if cut off from the world for months, the ship continues operating as normal, with backup desalination plants, food hydroponics, and energy reserves. Passengers onboard experience a completely different reality from what's happening outside. The Ark houses 1,200 people comfortably, with rooms built like luxury apartments instead of cabins. Each suite has hurricane-proof smart glass, adaptive temperature control, and a personal emergency shelter embedded into the wall, a small insulated capsule where passengers can stay safe if the ship ever experienced a black event. Even though such an emergency has never occurred, the engineers designed everything with a zero-failure philosophy. The centerpiece of the interior is the Storm Observation Atrium, a massive enclosed dome made from triple-layer graphene glass. During calm days, guests can see the ocean in full panoramic view. But during storms, the dome transforms into the world's most dramatic natural theater. Waves slam against the reinforced glass in towering shapes, lightning cracks across the sky, and the ocean roars so loudly it vibrates the floors. Yet inside, the temperature stays perfect, the seating remains stable, and passengers watch safely as nature unleashes its fury outside. The ship also features an underwater viewing deck, an area that descends several meters into the hull and reveals the ocean from beneath. It is built with pressure-resistant crystal panels and equipped with sonar interactive displays that map marine life in real time. During storms, the water becomes alive with turbulence, glowing plankton, and chaotic whirlpools. Seeing this from below is like witnessing another world. The StormBreaker Ark wasn't only built for luxury or tourism. Its primary mission is disaster response and survival. In extreme cases, the Ark can serve as a floating evacuation hub, medical base, and emergency supply vessel. It carries 22 drones, for amphibious scout boats, and autonomous cargo modules capable of delivering food, water, and medicine in dangerous regions where helicopters cannot land. During catastrophes, the Ark becomes a lifeline for thousands, but despite its humanitarian purpose, billionaires, researchers, filmmakers, and adventurers regularly book expeditions on board. The ship's ability to travel through storms that would destroy any other vessel makes it a unique attraction. Standing inside a fortress like the observation atrium while a superstorm pounds the ocean outside is an experience unmatched anywhere on Earth. Even the recreation areas are designed with safety and comfort in mind. The Ark includes a storm-proof gym, a zero-gravity simulation room powered by magnetic levitation, underwater lounges, and a thermal pool built with wave-resistant balancing systems. No matter how violent the storm becomes outside, the water inside the pool stays calm, a perfect mirror of engineering mastery. One of the most advanced parts of the ship is the storm core, a 12-story internal chamber located deep in the hull. The chamber has hydraulic dampers, seismic absorption systems, and segmented compartments that isolate damage. If a rogue wave hits one part of the ship, the storm core adjusts within milliseconds. This is the technology that allows the Ark to survive forces comparable to underwater earthquakes. The ship also carries a fully automated weather research lab. Scientists on board use drones and atmospheric sensors to study lightning, pressure drops, and storm formation. The StormBreaker has already helped discover new data about storm evolution that satellites alone could never capture. But what makes the StormBreaker Ark legendary is its record: 58 storm crossings, including 4 hypercyclones that destroyed nearby ships. In each case, the Ark emerged with almost no damage. The world watched footage of the StormBreaker slicing through 50-meter waves, its hull glowing under emergency lights, stabilizers deployed like wings as it pushed through walls of wind and water. To many, the ship looked alive, like a creature born from the ocean. Today, it stands as both a symbol of human survival and a preview of the future. As climate change intensifies and storms grow stronger, vessels like the StormBreaker Ark may become essential. Not just as luxury experiences, but as shelters, research hubs, and life-saving fortresses for communities around the world. Whether it's slicing through cyclone walls, powering itself endlessly, or protecting every soul on board, the StormBreaker Ark remains one of the most advanced mobile structures ever engineered. A ship built not to fear the storm, but to move through it, calmly, steadily, unbreakably. A reminder that even in nature's most violent moments, human innovation can prevail.